again. 2 minutes away. How convenient. It's really slow today. $26.62. Please and thank you. $15 tip. Not too bad. Not too bad. And this took me 32 minutes to complete altogether from start to finish. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, it's 3:20 right now. So, you know, yeah, I did wait a little bit of time before getting this order. I need to go get some gas and I'll go back to the store.